Withdrawing money from your American Express account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transaction successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the American Express website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, look for the option related to transferring funds or withdrawals. This may be found under Payments or Transfers in the main menu. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you wish to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you may need to add it by providing your bank details. Step 4. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw from your American Express account. Double-check the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from your American Express account to your bank account. Always ensure you keep track of your transactions for your records.